I have just discovered the most exciting AI platform I have come across in a long, long time. See, if you're a content creator, this tool practically does everything. Every single piece of content you wish to create can now be built inside this one dashboard. It looks familiar. It looks similar to the other AI platforms at first glance, but its features double down on what everyone else is doing. And by packing the entire workflow into one ecosystem, you can generate music, you can build the music video, you can create a video tutorial about how you made it, and design your own custom AI characters and avatars all in one place. No more jumping between 5 different subscriptions just to make one video. The platform is called Tunee. So let's dive in and look at what it can do. Okay, so when you first log into Tunee, you are greeted by the main AI agent page. And right in the middle is a smart conversational prompt box. This is a very standard concept nowadays, but Tunee lets you put almost anything. You can type in practically anything. Upload files like audio files, video references, images, and documents. But before you hit generate, you get to choose your AI model category on the fly, which is incredibly handy. So on the landing page, this is the chat box. So you can go and type in stuff here to prompt Tunee. You can go and upload some files here. Now you can upload an audio file, a video file, an image, or a document to commence the project. You can also upload music from their library or from your library that's already been created. You can go and choose a character from the existing library of characters, and then you can go and select the model to which you want to generate your content. So this is the music panel. So you can see it's got Marika, Tempola, it's got 11 music, Hamian, it's got all of them. The only one it doesn't have is Suno, funnily enough. Then you can go and select the image tab, and you have GPT image 2, Nano Banana, and the list goes on and on. Then you can do video, and it's got Cdance 2.0, very crucial. Happy Horse, Grok image, Kling Omni, and then it's got text. The other option you have here is you can go and select auto like this. So auto will then go and choose for your generation which model is best suited. Down the bottom, you can see they've got some templates already for you. So you've got music creation here, you've got a music video, you've got a cover, you've got smart mastering, audio mixing, lip sync music video, style reference, Cdance, Tempolo, or Marika. Now this one here is the interesting one. It's called cover. So cover allows you to upload a song, and Tunee will go and recreate that, prompted by you, of course. On the left is the menu. So you can see you've got 5 options here. You've got the agent, which is the page that we are currently on. Then you got video. So let's select video, and it takes you to the video page. And here you can go and upload your music, select your character, and Tunee will prompt you, click create to make a music video. Now you can go and have different templates, which is a one-click music video, where Tunee does it all for you. You can go freestyle music video where you can interact, or you can do motion control. Now, motion control is unbelievable. It's amazing. So you can actually upload a video of motion that you already have, which you want your avatar or your character to emulate. So it could be dancing, it could be hand movement, it could be talking. And then you got shorts, which are snippets for all your social media. You can go and select which video model you want to use. So you can use Cdance, you can use Happy Horse. Then you can go and choose your aspect ratio in here as well. You can go 60:9 or 9:16. That's totally up to you, whether you want high resolution, low resolution. Once you've uploaded your files, you then go and click create, and Tunee will start generating your content. You've got some templates down here. You've got lip sync video. So if you select that, it wants you to select your character, select your music, and then it's going to prompt you which generator you want to actually use for the lip sync. And you can do one take, or you can do multiple scenes. Multiple scenes is pretty awesome because then you've got a variety of clips you can choose from. Once again, it's your aspect ratio. Moving on, you've got the music clone. Now, this is incredible. If you already have a style, or if there's a video out there that you really like, and that's the style you want to emulate, you can use this music video clone to actually guide Tunee to that style of video. Then you got viral clips, so you can go and add some viral clips like this. And they've got a whole stack of templates in here. They've got dancing, motion control, TikTok trend, vlog. So it's up to you to go and select which one you think would best suit your music video. And then once again, it's got motion control down here where you can go and select a style of motion that you wish your video to emulate.
Megan hada, Megan han, Megan hada, Megan han, pyong pyong hada, pyong pyong han, pyong pyong hada, pyong pyong han.
So that's the video tab. We're going to move into the character tab now. So on the left-hand side, you'll see the character tab. Click that button, and this is where you get to create your own avatars and your own characters. This is my character here. Her name is Envy. She's a young singing, dancing basketball player, and this is what she looks like. You can go and edit the character here by clicking that button, and you can go and upload a reference image, give her a name, what type she's going to be. She's going to be a CGI, Pixar, anime. I've gone for photorealistic. And then in here, you've got the bio for Envy. In the character section, in this portfolio page, you've got these options here. So you've got the make music video, lip sync, film a vlog, or shoot a dance. So we can go and create a music video out of this by tapping that button, and it takes us straight into here, and you'll see that Envy has been added into the prompt page. Going back, you can click lip sync. Envy's added straight to the lip sync option. It's just shortcuts. It's quick processes. So you've already got a character built. You can just quickly go and grab that character and move straight into the video creation. This one here is film a vlog, where your character gets to reenact vlogs, so to speak. So
any man who thinks that household chores are women's work is a man who needs to work on finding somewhere else.
So yeah, you've got your vlogs in there where you can get your character start talking, and then you've got the shooter dance where, once again, it's motion controlled. So these are all very, very easy processes for Tunee. It makes the one-stop shop for everything that you want to create. So you've got a character, you can go and create all your reels in here. As long as you know what you're looking for or what you're trying to generate, these shortcuts will get you there quicker. Next on the left-hand side is the projects. So as you can see, I've already got some projects in here. I've been playing around with Tunee. I've created some music covers. So here's my music cover. Now it does open up another tab outside Tunee, but that's okay because you can go and close it down once you're finished. So we're back into Tunee. In your projects, you've got the agent projects, you've got the music projects, and the video projects. And then the last but not least is the library of all the stuff that you've generated. This is your library of all your content. And here's some of the music that I've created. And if you go and star it, it becomes a favorite. So it's cataloged as one of your favorites now, so then you can go and find it straight away. So that's Tunee in a nutshell. That's basically it. If we go back to the agent page, the only other thing I can say about Tunee after playing with it, I'm super excited to get involved in this platform. I think there's a lot of content I can create using this platform. Knowing what I want to do, I am going to have so much fun doing this. So I'm going to get lost inside Tunee. I'm going down the rabbit hole. If you found any of this content educational or helpful or even comical, don't forget to like the content, share the content, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm confident I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.